guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys like my new glasses? Today's video is going to be my everyday, extremely natural makeup tutorial. No foundation is being used, the eyebrows are not being filled in, not contouring, we're not using eyeshadow. This is my go-to makeup look for when I want to look presentable but don't want to beat my face, which is like 99.9% of the time. As you can see, it's very natural and glowy, and it's so me. I feel like I like to beat my face like after I'm done beating my face, but I hate to put the time in to beat my face. I like to do this before school or work. So if you guys are looking for a very natural makeup routine and you don't know what works for you yet, I hope this video helps you out, because it honestly used to be a struggle for me to find natural makeup products that I could wear all day and not feel greasy in or uncomfortable in. Really do hope this video helps you guys out. I will have the makeup links down below, and I didn't do that for my last makeup tutorial. I'm so sorry, but I will do it for this one. So any point in this video, if you guys like it, please make sure to press the like button down below and subscribe if you like me. I'm trying to hit 150k currently. YouTube is janky and some of my videos are not going in my sub box, so make sure you turn on my post notifications if you like me that much. Just press the little bell down there. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my social media handles if you're not already. Let's get on with the video. So for primer, I'm going to be taking my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Primer with sunscreen. This has SPF 15 in it, which is really important. Thank you so much, Neutrogena, for sending me this. I've been loving this recently, so it comes out very like liquidy. It turns like a white. I like this because it has SPF 15 in it. It's good for your skin and also minimizes pores. So I look like a grease ball right now, but we gonna fix that in a few. I did a coconut oil mask today and it definitely made my skin look shinier, but no, I just still look tired. I'm blaming the mask for that. After that, I'm gonna be taking one of two face products. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Amande. This is what it looks like, and I've really been loving this concealer lately. Allyannah put me onto it, of course, queen. In my last video, I actually did a trying to follow a Allyannah makeup tutorial, so if you'd like to see that, be down below. I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes. We are not using any beauty blenders for this tutorial because this is a quick everyday kind of thing, and you don't have time to be wet in a beauty blender every day, to be honest. This concealer does match my skin tone, and I do not like to highlight or anything like that. I just like to conceal whatever needs to be concealed. So I'm putting that also on my eyelids. Lighting makes me look terrible. Even though I didn't put it in spots like on my nose or like over here, you still want to like blend it into your skin so that it looks like skin. Now I'm gonna be taking my favorite powder. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth in the color Matte Tan 40. It broke and I'm really sad about it. At least just the compact broke and not the product, so that'll be really bad. And I'm taking this Equal Tools Define brush. I'm just gonna be taking that. And I really like this because it's perfect for underneath your eyes. So I don't use a loose powder, I just set it with this because it makes it look the most natural in my opinion. Or else I'm gonna brush onto my face. I really don't mind imperfections peeking through. Like I really don't mind it. And also gonna make sure to set my eyelids because we are not putting anything else on those. Now for mascara, I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and this has always been my favorite mascara. It's just a little pricey, that's why I don't use it in every single video. Do a tiny bit, we're not doing too much. We just want to look like as natural as possible. So for brows, all I'm gonna be taking is my Boy Brow, and this is in the color Clear. I use this daily, honestly. It just makes my eyebrows look put together. I really want to try one of the colored ones, just so that I don't have to like fill in my eyebrows ever. Next, I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of blush. So I'm taking my Chrissy Teigen Becca palette, and I'm taking this color. My brush is like messed up. I feel like blush really ties the whole look together. For lip gloss, I'm going to take my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Clear. This is sticky, so if you don't like sticky lip glosses, stay away from this, but I like it just because it adds a lot of gloss. Highlight is optional because I don't do it all the time, to be honest. Like lately, I just haven't been. But I'm going to be taking any highlighter that I find. Right now I'm going to be using the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in gold, and I'm going to be taking this middle color, just a little bit of it. Yes. Just to add that highlight. Yeah, I just usually take whichever highlight I find, but today I was feeling a gold tone. Put it on my nose. I don't care what anyone has to say about nose highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit on my brow bone. And to set my face, I usually use rose water, and I actually made my own. I filmed this, so if you would like to see that video, press the thumbs up button and I will definitely upload how to make rose water for you guys. This has rose, lavender, and aloe vera in it. So I don't use Mario Badescu anymore because I figured I could just make my own. So I'm just gonna be spraying some of this. Comes out a lot. This is first day hair and it's still kind of wet, so excuse that. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. You have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a big thumbs up down below if you did, and subscribe if you are not already. I hope this video somewhat helped you guys out. I wanted it to be just really quick, simple, and to the point. I'll have all the makeup details down below. Make sure you guys are following me on my social media if you are not already. I update a lot on there. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Peace, I love you, bye!
Go off when I enter the building.